How to split screen in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can split screen on your Windows device. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So if you want to split screen on your Windows device like this and like this, what you need to do is first you'll need to open up a few tabs. Now let's say that you want to split screen from a single tab. So to start, simply drag your tab from the top here. And after you do that, if you try to hover it over, you will see split screens option. Now this is the first one. You can add it here on the right hand side. Now you can just make the left hand side bigger and the right hand side smaller too. Or you can make it on a corner. You can add it to a corner and you can add other things at different corners. Now this is the really simple way. All you need to do is move your cursor around. The other way is by using your keyboard. Now to split the screen, what you need to do is tap on the Windows key and then wherever you want your tab to go to. So if you want it on the left hand side, press the Windows key and the left arrow key. Or if you want it on the right hand side, tap on the Windows key and the right hand side. So after you do that, simply you can choose whichever you want next. And if you want it above, you can simply press on Windows and then tap on up. And you can select the other folder that you want. So yeah, that is how you can do that, guys, how you can split screen on Windows device. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Don't forget to subscribe and bye-bye. Take care.